This is the calibration procedure for the twin type shower valve. To adjust the flow temperature, you'll need to remove the temperature control handle. Unscrew the thin metal ring which holds the decorative cap in place. Remove the handle and then turn on the shower and allow it to reach its current maximum temperature. To raise the maximum temperature, gently place the control handle loosely onto the spindle and turn anti-clockwise 1/4 of a turn. Allow the temperature to regulate, and if the shower is still too cold, proceed with another turn of the spindle and repeat until you reach your desired maximum temperature. Once you have your desired maximum temperature, turn off the shower completely and place the control handle back onto the spindle fully, ensuring that the lug of the handle is to the left of the lug on the control spindle, disenabling you to turn the handle any further anti-clockwise. Once you have the handle in the correct position, replace the decorative screw cap. Finally, test your shower to confirm the calibration has been successful.